Quick question. If your friend told you, bro, I put all my money into one stock, you'd probably say, that sounds risky. Because if that one company has a bad year, you're screwed. So here's my question. Why do so many people put all their investments into one country? Because if you're a typical Indian investor, that's basically what you're doing. And almost nobody talks about it. Most people invest in what feels familiar. Makes sense. You live in India. You earn in rupees. You know Indian brands. So you buy Indian mutual funds, Indian stocks, Indian index funds. Nothing wrong with that. The problem is when that's all you own. Think about it. Imagine India goes through a rough patch. Maybe economic growth slows down. Maybe jobs become harder to get. Maybe salaries stop growing. At the exact same time, your investments could also struggle. So the thing paying you and the thing you're depending on for future wealth are both tied to the same outcome. That's like having one backup plan and then using the same backup plan as your main plan. Here's the part that surprised me. India is a huge country. But India's stock market is actually a small part of the global stock market. Most of the world's biggest companies are outside India. Think about the apps and products you use every day. Google, YouTube, Instagram, Netflix, Amazon, Apple, Microsoft. These companies make insane amounts of money. Not just from Americans, from people everywhere, including you. And for years, most Indian investors owned exactly zero of them. Not because it was illegal, not because it was difficult, mostly because nobody ever mentioned it. The crazy part, you don't need to pick the next Apple. You don't need to guess which company wins. You can literally buy a fund that owns hundreds of the biggest companies in America at once. That's it. No stock picking, no genius required. Now, before someone comments, so should I stop investing in India? No, not at all. India is still one of the most exciting growth stories in the world. Your Nifty 50 SIP, keep it. This isn't about replacing India. It's about adding another layer of protection. Instead of saying, my future depends on one country, you're saying, my future depends on the global economy. Big difference. Even putting a small part of your portfolio into international funds can make your investments way less dependent on what happens in one place. Think about it. Every day, you're helping companies like Apple, Google, and Amazon make money. You use their products. You watch their ads. You buy their stuff. Maybe it's time to own a tiny piece of them too. Most people never even realize that's an option. Now you do.